That's right. German Chancellor Friedrich Merz is on an India visit. This is not just his first visit to India, but to Asia as well after he assumed office in May 2025. This visit is coming ahead of the India-EU summit. And before this visit of Friedrich Merz, Indian and German leaders both met on the sidelines of the G7 summit in Kanamskis in Canada. And today he's expected to meet with the Prime Minister. He is in India already. He's also scheduled to visit Sabarmati Ashram. And the leader then will be visiting Bosch's facility in Bengaluru. In Bengaluru as well, he will be visiting Nanoscience and Engineering, CNSE as well. Now, remember, this is happening at a time when European capitals have shown interest in engagement with India. India has also stepped up engagement with European capitals as ties with the United States have become unpredictable. And this at a time when both the sides, EU and India, are also negotiating a trade deal. So what's really on the agenda of the German leader's visit? Well, both the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the German leader, they are expected to take stock of bilateral ties. Defense and security is going to be a key highlight of these conversations as both the sides are working out details of a submarine manufacturing deal. And this deal could include tech transfer for submarine production. Now, why is this being talked about? Why is there a lot of expectation around talks related to defense is because India's defense secretary and German ambassador to India, Philip Ackerman, discussed co-development and co-production of defense equipment. There's also going to be talks around education, mobility, renewable energy, trade investments, and of course on the India-EU FTA talks as well. So overall, this seems like a packed month for Indian diplomacy. Not only did the Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal visit Brussels last week, but the External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar also visited France and Luxembourg. And then we are expecting the visit of EU Commission Chief Ursula von der Leyen in late January. And President Macron, French President Emmanuel Macron, is all set to also visit India for the AI summit in February.
Right, Samita, thank you.